Hi, beautiful souls. Today, we're creating something super special, straight from the heart. A beautiful, beginner-friendly painting that's perfect for Mother's Day, or really, any day you want to celebrate your amazing mom. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, grab your sketchbooks, colors, or canvas, and let's get started. Let's make a heart shape. Let's begin by drawing a beautiful heart shape in the center. This heart will hold all our love, emotions, and creativity. You can keep it big and bold, just like a mother's love. Step 2. Draw a banner. Now, right across the heart, let's draw a flowing banner. This is where we'll later write something special. Think of it like a ribbon of honor, wrapped around love itself. Step 3. Tiny roses up top. Now let's draw 3 tiny cute roses on the top part of the heart. These roses are simple to draw, just a swirl and a few petals, and they add so much charm. Step 4. Add the wings. Next, let's draw a pair of cute wings on both sides of the heart. These wings symbolize freedom, support, and protection. Everything our moms give us. Soft curves, gentle strokes. Let the wings flow outward. Step 5. 1 rose at the bottom. Now, at the bottom of the heart, draw 1 more rose. This one ties everything together, like the base of all emotions. 1 rose, but full of meaning. Step 6. Write Best Mom inside the banner we drew earlier. Let's write the words, Best Mom. Use any style you like, cursive, block letters, or bubble writing. This is your creative space. Remember, this isn't just about being perfect. It's about expressing love in the most personal way. The Mother's Day coloring book is available in the link below. It's a great gift, or even better, a bonding activity to do with your mom. Now take a moment. Look at your sketch. Isn't it already looking beautiful? Step 7. Time to color. Let's bring this drawing to life with colors. You can use red or pink for the heart, colors of love and warmth. As you fill in the colors, just imagine your mom's smile when she sees this. Maybe she'll frame it. Maybe she'll keep it by her bedside. Either way, your art will become a memory for her. And don't forget, Do you know? Mother's Day is celebrated in over 40 countries, honoring the unconditional love and sacrifices mothers make every single day. But do we really need one day to celebrate her? Nope. That's why this art can be a gift for her anytime. A just because I love you, mom kind of gift. Step 1. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an art moment again. Each rose can represent something: love, gratitude, and respect. There is no role in life more essential than that of motherhood. And it's true, we owe so much to them. The Mother's Day coloring book is available in the link below. It's a great gift, or even better, a bonding activity to do with your mom. We started this journey with a simple heart and ended with a piece filled with color, emotion, and meaning. Your love, captured on paper. Before we go, thank you for spending this creative time with me. If you found joy in today's art, do me a little favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you can keep creating with me every single week. Remember, in many cultures, the heart symbolizes the center of emotion, and what better emotion than love for a mother?